New to WhatsApp and not sure how to get started? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to WhatsApp, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the app. Now let's get started. If you haven't installed WhatsApp yet, check out our tutorial on how to download the app to your smartphone. Then watch our tutorial on how to sign up for a WhatsApp account. Both of these videos will be linked in the description box below. The first thing you're likely wanting to do after setting up your WhatsApp profile is to add contacts you'd like to communicate with through WhatsApp. Since WhatsApp is set up using your phone number, all you need to be able to add a contact is to have their cell phone number. You can start a new conversation by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner. You'll then be able to see your contacts that are already using WhatsApp. Tap the name of the contact you'd like to chat with, or type their name into the search bar at the top. If you want to add someone on WhatsApp who's not saved to your device's contact list, tap New Contact at the top. Then type in their name and phone number, and tap Done to add them. You can also have group chats on WhatsApp. If you want to make a group chat, tap New Group. Then select the contacts you want to chat with. If you like, you can create a name for your group. Then tap Create in the top right corner. The chat window with the contact or group of contacts you've selected will then be opened. To send a message in your WhatsApp chat, type a message into the text box above your keyboard. Tap the arrow on the right to send your message. If you tap the plus sign on the left, you can share pictures or videos, your location, contacts information, and documents. Once you've selected the image, document, or file that you want to attach, type in a message to go with it if you like, then tap the send button to share it in your chat. You can also access the option to create polls and plan events by tapping the plus sign. These features are super helpful when trying to make decisions in a group chat. Check out our dedicated tutorials on these features to learn more. If you tap the sticker icon on the right side of the text box, you'll see a menu appear with fun stickers and animated GIFs. By default, you'll only have a few sticker options available, but you can download more by tapping the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the sticker window. Tap the plus sign beside any sticker pack you'd like to download. Tap a sticker to send it in your chat. Within this window, you'll also find fun animated GIFs you can send in your chats. Browse suggested GIFs, or search for something specific using the search bar. You can send voice messages by tapping the microphone icon. You can tap the pause button to pause recording, and pick back up by tapping the microphone button. If you make a mistake or decide you don't want to send your recording, tap the trash can to delete it. Tap the send button to send your voice message. Another cool feature of WhatsApp is that you can use it for free voice and video calls. To call one of your friends through WhatsApp, you can tap the phone icon in the top right corner of your chat to start an audio call, or the video camera icon to start a video call. You can also start calls from the Calls tab. Starting a call this way works the same way as starting a new chat. Simply scroll to the name of the contact you'd like to call, then tap the phone to start an audio-only call, or tap the video camera to start a video call. You can make group calls by selecting multiple contacts, then tapping the icon for either an audio call or a video call. You can have up to 32 people in a group call at one time. Check out our tutorial on WhatsApp group calls to learn more. We'll have it linked in the description box below. WhatsApp also allows users to share status updates, which are similar to the Stories feature on other social media apps like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Tap Updates in the bottom menu to get there. You can post photos, videos, or text posts on your WhatsApp status. To share a photo or video, tap the camera icon beside My Status. Then you can upload images from your device's camera roll, or tap the camera icon to capture a new photo or video. To share a text post to your status, tap the pencil icon. Then type in what you'd like to say. In text statuses, you can share clickable links to websites, YouTube videos, or your social media profiles. Change the color of the background for your text post by tapping the color palette in the top right corner. Then select the color you want to use. Change the font by tapping the A icon. Then select the font you want to use. When you're done, tap the Send button to post your status. Also in the Updates tab are channels you can follow for updates on your favorite brands, news, and more. Browse suggested channels to follow, or scroll down and tap Explore More to browse by category, or search for a specific channel you want to follow. Here you'll find channels for updates from your favorite musical artists, games, sports teams, news outlets, organizations, and more. Tap Follow beside a channel to follow them. Another section of WhatsApp is the Communities tab. Communities are a more advanced type of group chat, where you can invite members of a group you're part of to participate. Communities can have multiple group chats within them, and can have up to 51,000 total members, whereas regular group chats can only have 1,000 members max. You could create a community for people in your neighborhood, sports league, workplace, etc. This is a great way to keep in touch with your community and stay updated with the things that are going on. To create a community of your own, tap New Community. Then tap Get Started. Give your group a name and type in a description for the purpose of the group. You can also add a photo if you like. Then tap Create Community. You can then invite any of your contacts to join the group, or copy the invite link to send through text message, email, or through social media. If you've been invited to join an existing community, tap the link you were sent to open that community in WhatsApp and get started as a new member. If you want to make changes to your WhatsApp settings, tap You in the bottom right corner. Here you can edit your WhatsApp profile and preferences. To edit your profile, tap your name at the top. Here you can change your profile photo, your bio with a bit about yourself, your name, and your phone number. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back. Here you can change your preferences for your account settings, your privacy settings, your chat preferences, notifications, and storage settings. You can also access the Help Center and report technical issues to WhatsApp support if you ever need to. That wraps up our beginner's guide to WhatsApp. To learn more about specific WhatsApp features, check out our playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.